What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T, and it is a Saturday, okay? So I already started my day. I did an order at Aldi's. It was for one customer. They was going like 3 or 4 miles, and it was like maybe 30 items. So I did that already, and that order was for $42. I will put it in the screen. So that's how I started my day. I believe I took it a little after 10, maybe like 10:20, almost 10:30, and I got done with it maybe like at 11-ish, somewhere around that. So now what I'm about to do is turn on the food delivery apps along with keep Instacart open, and let's see what we get, y'all. I'm still tired. I'm still sleepy. I still haven't fully woken up yet, so I might seem a little chill, but I'm sure that will change within an hour or two. So let's get the day started. Yeah, let's go, guys. All right, guys, so after waiting for about 20 minutes, declining orders on Doordash and Uber, and scrolling on Instacart, looking at all of their ridiculous orders that they have going on today, I finally found a somewhat decent order. $21 going 5 miles at a ShopRite. 21 or 22 items, 2 customers. This is going to be really quick because I know the store like the back of my hand. I'm already in the parking lot because this is where I decided to wait. So we are going to go into the store and get this order done. Hopefully it wakes me up because, y'all, like, I don't know why, I just feel so like drained today. I don't know, but yeah, let's go in here and get this order done as soon as possible, so we can get this day over with. Because that's how I feel. I feel like I just want to go back in my bed. Like, I just want to get in my bed and just relax. You know how, like, when you know you got a nice bed and it's just so comfortable and you be thinking about just getting in your bed? That's what's going on right now. Like, my dad, he bought me one of them foam type mattresses. And ever since he bought me that mattress, y'all, like, I've really been in love with the mattress. Like, me and the mattress have a whole relationship going on. So now I'm just thinking about the mattress. Like, I want to go to bed. Damn it. All right, y'all. Let's go into the store and get this order done. Alright, y'all, so I did that order. It took me like 20-something minutes. I'm gonna put it in the screen. But let me tell y'all something though. Yo, why these people playing with me today? Like, why is these people hating on us Instacart shoppers? Like, let me vent to y'all real quick. So, when I get to the register, this fake manager, I said it, she's a fake freaking manager. She's training, I guess, a new employee on how to scan the items or whatever. Cool, I ain't got no problem. So, you know, on Instacart, if you know the membership card, you can scan it on the phone, so it's not working. So she had a whole attitude like, it's not working, so we can't do it. I'm like, oh, we can do it. We're gonna do it. You're gonna figure it out. Because there's multiple times I come here, and if it doesn't scan, they put a little extra number in or something like that, and it works out. So she trying, it's not working. So she like got a whole attitude like it's not working. So I'm like, well, get the manager, right? Like, I said it just like that on some extra, like, you know, just on some extra shit. Extra happy, but letting you know, like, we're not about to keep going now. So she's like, I am the manager, but okay. Okay, well, go get another manager. Go get your manager. Whatever, go get your boss. So she got a whole attitude. This girl done sat down, crossed her legs, like, whole attitude. Like, I hate that. Yo, I hate that crap. Like, don't get sassy and attitude-ish with me, like, for real. Because if you do it a little too much, anyway. But anyway, so yeah, she just like mad. Actually, then the other manager come over. Mind you, the other manager figures it out, but it took her a couple times. So when the first time the manager tried to do it, it didn't work. And it seemed like she was happy, like, yeah, I told you, don't work. So the other manager was like, hold on, I got another thing to try. So it goes through, and you look stupid. So I say to the other manager, thank you so much. You are greatly appreciated. I respect your professionalism. Thank you. And just looked at the other girl. You get what I'm saying? So now they scanning the groceries. So the other girl is like just sliding the groceries to the side. And I'm just like, baby, touch my groceries like that again, bro. Like, what's wrong with you? Like, what's up with you? You don't want to work at ShopRite? Go do something else. Like, yo, what's up with these people, man? They be having you ready to risk it all, like smack you with the groceries and everything. And I ain't even a violent person like that. But yeah, like, I ain't even a violent person like that. But don't try me. Like, at the end of the day, you're with the job, not me. Like, what's wrong with these people, y'all? Like, that junk just was just crazy. I hate being in situations like that because I be wanting to approach it a whole nother way. But I know, like, I still got to try to be the bigger person and be professional, especially if they do have the possibility of reporting us to Instacart. But that girl crazy, for real, because I don't even understand how she was even able to act like that in front of the other manager. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Like, is this okay? These are the type of employees y'all hiring? Man, y'all, I don't know. I think I might have to swing back through as a customer next time. Let's go to the customer. Alright guys, so I delivered to customer A, real smooth. And now I am going to customer B, and then we're gonna get another order. Good thing though, guys, is that I'm awake now. I am awake. That worker got me up and ready for the day now. So let's go. Alright guys, so I just accepted a order on Doordash, $6.75 going 2 miles. It's at Jersey Mike's Subs, which is right behind me. So let's go and get it. Hold up, I'm seeing an Instacart order. Hold up, y'all. All right, so I just accepted an Instacart order. It's for $22, one customer, and they only want a few items. So I'm just gonna hurry up, pick up this Doordash order, drop it off, and then come back and do the Instacart order. All right, guys, it says the customer is 6 minutes away. So let me hurry up and drop this off. Let me hurry up and drop this off to them so that way I can do this Instacart order real quick. And then, you know what's crazy? I seen an order for Uber. It was $12, only going 2 miles. It was like a shopping deliver order at CVS, and the customer only wanted like one item. And I was like, yo, I should accept this too. But I'm like, nah, that's gonna be too much. You know what I mean? So let me go drop it off to the customer. Alright guys, I just dropped that order off. So now I'm headed to the ShopRite to do this Instacart order. Alright guys, so that order was real smooth. The customer was responsive. The person at the register was great, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think it took me like 20 something minutes. I'm gonna put it in the screen. I think I screenshotted it. I'll put it in the screen. And now we're off to the customer. I was trying to see if I could get an add-on, because you know at like little stores like ShopRite, you can get up to 3 customers or whatever. But it wasn't no add-on. I guess it must be a little slow. So it is what it is. So let's head to the customer. Alright guys, so I just accepted an order on Doordash. It's for $6.75 going 2 miles, and I am walking into the store right now. So let's get this money. Alright guys, that food was already ready. I'm actually on my way to drop it off to the customer right now, and in the midst of that, I accepted another order on Instacart for ShopRite, $24. It's going 6 miles and one customer, and they only want a few items. So I am going to hurry up, take this to this customer, come right back and do this Instacart order. So let's go, y'all. So it only took me maybe 16 minutes to actually shop the order, but they wanted some cheese from the deli. And when I first got to the store, that deli line was crazy, and I couldn't even get up there to ask them to put a ticket in for me, so I didn't. I'm also running late with this order because I just seen the delivery time I need to be there by, and I basically need to be there in 2 minutes, and they're about 10 minutes away. So I'm not gonna hit that delivery time or whatever, but it's because I accepted that order on Doordash and then came here. But it is what it is though, so I should be good. The customer is very nice, responsive. I only had to do 2 replacements, and yeah, that's that, guys. So I'm about to go drop this order off and then hopefully get another order. Today is a good day, honestly. It's a real chill day. No Costco orders, no huge big bulky orders. I'm just chilling today and I'm loving it so far. So hopefully I can keep this going all day. I highly doubt I go into a Costco now because it's 4 o'clock. So, but we'll see what the day leads us. So so that order was very, very smooth. The drop off, the delivery, everything was good. Came back to the ShopRite and just accepted another order. This order is actually a really, really good one. One customer, $20, 6 items, and I think it's going 2 or 3 miles. I might have mixed those numbers up somewhere, but it's a small order. So let's run into the store and get it done. Alright guys, so that order literally took me 10 minutes, including checkout. It was really, really fast. I had a dope cashier, and he was even like, yo, you got a great personality. I'm like, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. At least someone realizes this in this store, okay? But yeah, they only wanted 6 items. One of the items was some salmon from the seafood department, and she wanted them to take the skin off. So I went there first, told them what I wanted them to do, did the shop, and came back and got it, and everything just worked out. My bad, y'all. Somebody just did some BS in front of me. I wish I had a way to record both ways so y'all could be seeing what I be seeing when I be pausing. But yeah. So let me get this to the customer so I can hurry up and make some more money, y'all. Alright guys, so I just accepted a order on Uber. It's for $11 for 2 miles. Snatchies is at a Wawa. So let's go and get it, y'all. Alright, so I just accepted an order on Uber Eats. The first order they gave me was for $10.50, and I was going 5 miles. I'm saying it's $2 a mile, why not? And then I accepted an add-on for $8 going an extra mile. So I took that. So that's $18 some change, whatever. So after I do this order, I'm gonna be really, really close to 200. I'm really, really hungry, but I'm waiting until I get to $200 before I can stop and eat, because I know me, I stop and I eat. Sometimes I be like, I'm not going back out. You feel me? So I need to hurry up and get to 200, because this food is just smelling so good and it's making it worse. And Oh, so I ain't even tell y'all, because I used to keep snacks and stuff on me, but I can't snack on none of the stuff I used to snack on because of these damn braces. So I don't even be taking no snacks with me because I can't eat nothing hard. So like carrots and all of that stuff that I used to snack on, it's hard. Try, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, I just accepted an order on Uber Eats. $8, 1 mile. Let's go, guys. Alright, guys, so after I dropped off that last order, I got another order on Uber. It's for $8, going like 1.5 miles. And the restaurant, which is McDonald's, is right across the street from the person's apartment I just left. So I'm going in there and I'm getting the food. Alright, guys, so I just accepted my last order of the day. It is for $32 on Instacart. One customer. The miles are real, like the miles, y'all, I'm tired and I'm hungry. I don't remember the miles, but the miles are low and it's taking me towards my area where I need to go, which is home. Okay, so I am about to head there. I believe they want like maybe like, it's under 20 items. I don't even remember that. I just accepted that. Ain't that crazy? I'm gonna put it in the screen and we're gonna go, because I was really just sitting here in this parking lot like I need to make $20 more. And I was seeing all of these garbage orders, and you know it's real when you're not accepting a garbage order just to, you know, hit your goal or whatever. Like, I wasn't doing it. I was seeing an order. It was for $20, what I need to make, right? But it was going like 12 miles, and I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. Like, not doing that. On DoorDash, I done got my acceptance rate all the way down to about a 2% because I was declining everything. I'm trying to think which way I want to go. Yeah, like I was declining everything. So yeah, y'all, like. Alright, guys, so I am done for today. Now let me tell you, I'm gonna be real with you. I really should stay out just to make an extra $23 to even me off to $250. I'm hungry though. I am about to go get something to eat, and then if I feel like it, I will. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm probably not gonna feel like it. I'm just gonna be real with y'all, okay? But I wrote down my I wrote down my totals. All right, so for today, I made $164.32 on Instacart. On Uber, $47.19, and on DoorDash, $15.50. So that brings me to a total of $227.01. Like I said, I should stay out to make that extra $20 and some change, but I'm about to go eat something. I didn't eat nothing today. Nothing. All right, not even a smoothie, nothing. I need to eat. So that's what I'm going to do. The last order at Stop and Shop, it went really, really good. The customer was responsive, but they told me that they don't want no replacements. So if they don't have it, just refund them. And guess what? That's exactly what I did, okay? I wasn't going back and forth with that customer. I wasn't listening. If they didn't have it, they didn't have it. I had to refund them for about 2 items. So it is what it is with that. Drop off was smooth. And guys, that is it for my day, okay? If you made it this far to the end of the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, guys. I really, really do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.